Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Seneca, Snowshoe. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Seneca is located along the Village Plaza adjacent to a wide variety of shopping and dining options. Amenities include a garden patio, a large outdoor hot tub, and an outdoor fireplace. Guests can also enjoy a small exercise area room, sauna, laundry facilities, and a beautiful hearth room. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.